Okay, first graders, we're doing what's called similes today for our vocabulary strategy. Writers can use similes to help readers picture details. A simile compares one thing to another using the words like or as. So every time we use like or as to compare things, we are using a simile. So if you say you like something, you're not comparing it, right? But if you say the light turning on was like the sun coming up, okay, I compared a light to the sun, so with the word like, okay. So when I say the puddle is as big as a lake, I'm comparing a puddle to a lake, okay, using as. The wind felt like an ice cube. I'm saying the wind is really cold. I'm comparing it to an ice cube. We are going to read each sentence and underline the words like or as. Every time we see like or as, we're going to underline it. And then we're going to circle the two things that they're comparing. So those two things, person, place, or thing, are going to be nouns, right? The storm was like a roller coaster. Okay, what do we underline? Like, that's our comparing word. What are we comparing in this? A storm and a roller coaster. Okay, what do you think that means? It means the storm was going crazy. It would come really, really fast and then maybe slow down. It was really, really heavy and then maybe lighter. It was just up and down, just kept changing. Okay, number 2. The house is as dark as a cave. Okay, did you see our comparing word? Our simile comparing word? We saw as. Okay, what are we comparing? We're comparing the house and the cave. Good. Okay, number 3. The flashlight is like the sun. Hey, that's kind of like what I was doing before, huh? Okay, so we're using like, and what did we compare? We compared the flashlight to the sun. Okay, number 4. The blanket is as warm as a bath. What are our comparing words for similes? As. Good. What are we comparing? A blanket and a bath. We're saying both are warm. Number 5, Paul's list is as long as a book. What are our words for comparing? As. Awesome. And what are we comparing? A list and a book. Those are the two things that we're saying are similar. Ooh, similar. A simile shows how things are similar. Did you notice that? Okay, now this is just fun. On B, you get to choose one of those sentences that you can turn into a picture. I look forward to seeing how those pictures turn out. Happy learning!